Hello everyone, I'm OWON Boy. The FDS series multifunction oscilloscopes use the Android system. We can quickly upgrade the software and system through a USB flash disk. Software upgrade procedure. Click the icon on the Android system main interface to access App Center. Insert a USB flash disk. You can click Firmware Update if there are available app updates. System upgrade procedure. Select the System directory on the App Center interface and insert a USB flash disk. The system will detect automatically. Click the Firmware Update button to initiate the upgrade. Do not exit the app during the upgrade, the system will complete the upgrade and restart within a few minutes. Finally, I would like to remind everyone that there are risks in upgrading. You must confirm with the manufacturer or local dealer before upgrading.
Audio Jungle.